Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Good morning. Good morning. Hello and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello and how are you?
Good morning. Good morning. Hello and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello and how are you?
In the morning, I clap my hands. In the morning, I do my dance. In the morning, I shout hooray. This is gonna be a wonderful day. Good morning. Good morning. Hello and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello and how are you?
Good morning, campers. How are you today? How many boys are here today? Combien de garçons qu'il y a aujourd'hui? How many girls are here today? Combien de filles qu'il y a aujourd'hui? Let's start with the camp prayer. Allons commencer avec la prière des camps. Today, Connor will say the prayer. Jodia, Connor pourra prier pour nous. Please say it with him. S'il vous plaît, dis-le ensemble avec lui.
Thank you for the food we eat. Thank you for the friends we meet. Thank you for the birds that sing. We give thanks for everything. Amen.
Yesterday, we learned about actions and prepositions. Hier, nous t'apprenons sur action et preposition. Today, we will learn about body parts. Jodia, nous pourrons apprendre sur partie du corps.
Head, eyes, nose, mouth, ears, chin. Arms, hands, fingers, legs, feet, toes. This is me. Here we go. My head, my eyes, my nose. This is me. My mouth, my ears, my chin. This is me. This is me. This is me. This is me. Arms, hands, fingers, legs, feet, toes. My arms, my hands, my fingers. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My legs, my feet, my toes. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is me. Here we go. This is me. 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 This is me.
I, je. Nose, ne. Mouth, bouche. Ear, zoe. Chin, babine. Arm, bois. Leg, leg vle di pied. Mais c'est pas plat pied, dos pied. C'est qui genou, jarret, pati long ça. Foot, c'est un seul pied. Mais c'est talon, plat pied, dos pied. C'est pas pati long là. Yon wele foot, plus que yon wele feet. Toes. Toes, c'est doigt pied. We learned some new action words. Nous te apprends quelques mots action nouveaux. Touch, toucher. Touch your nose, toucher nez. Open, ouvrir. Open your mouth, ouvrir bouche. Open more, ouvrir plus. Ah. Stick out. Stick out, vle di mette dehors. Stick out your tongue. Mette langue dehors. Grab. Grab vle di kembe. Grab your hair. Kembe cheveux. Bend. Bend vle di vire ou bien baisser. Bend your neck. Baisser cou ou bien virer cou. Shake. Shake your hips. Suke. Suke sentiu. Wiggle. Wiggle vle di suke too. Head. Tête. Hands. Main. Fingers. Doigt. My head. Tête moi. My hands. Main moi. My fingers. Doigt moi.
Body. This is my body. This is my body. Huh?
Let's listen and move your body. Are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Touch your head.
Head. Head.
Grab your hair.
Hair. Hair.
Touch your ears.
Ears. Ears.
Touch your eyes.
Eyes. Eyes.
Touch your nose.
Nose. Nose.
Open your mouth.
Mouth. Mouth.
Open more. Click your teeth.
Teeth. Teeth.
Stick out your tongue.
Tongue. Tongue.
Bend your neck.
Neck. Neck.
Shake your shoulders.
Shoulders. Shoulders.
Touch your stomach.
Stomach. Stomach.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Wiggle your hips.
Hips. Hips.
Shake your arms.
Arms. Arms.
Shake your hands.
Hands. Hands.
Shake your legs.
Legs. Legs.
Touch your feet.
Feet. Feet.
Perfect. It's all over.
Yeah.
This is my body. This is my body means ça c'est comme moi. This is my body vle di ça c'est comme moi. Let's review. Anou est passé. The man will say a word in English. Garçon parle dire un mot en anglais. Raise your hand. Levez main if you know the word in Creole or Spanish. Si vous connaissez mot en Creole ou bien Espagnol.
Review.
Head, hair, ears, eyes, nose, mouth, teeth, tongue, neck, shoulders, stomach, hips, arms, hands, legs, feet.
Let's review more. Anou est passé, please. You know what to do. Vous connaissez pour faire. Raise your hand if you know the word. Levez main si vous connaissez mot. Toes, toes. Body, body. Legs, legs. Fingers, fingers. Hand, hand. Arm, arm. Mouth, mouth. Ears, ears. Chin, chin. Head, head. Eyes, eyes. Nose, nose. This is me. This is me. Here we go. Here we go. My head. My head. My mouth. My mouth. My body. My body. Hair. Hair. Neck. Neck. Tongue. Tongue. Shoulders. Shoulders. Stomach. Stomach. Hips. Hips. Touch. Touch. Teeth. Teeth. Open. Open. Stick out. Stick out. Grab. Grab. Bend. Bend. Shake. Shake. Wiggle. Wiggle. Good job, campers. Bon travail, participants. Now, let's play more games with our counselor. Konya, anou jouer plus jouet ak professeur noua to learn and practice more. Pour apprendre et pratiquer plus. Everybody stand up. Tout le monde campe. Now, let's do what they do in the song. Konya anu fe, sa yo fe, na chante sa. Have fun! Bon plaisir!
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.